Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to write a function for intersection and union of a set in C Sharp. I'm going to use integers for the purpose of this presentation. So you start by storing two lists of values or declaring two lists of values and move on to the method which you are going to name as intersection. And it should be a method that is going to return list um, as its data type and accept list A and B as its parameters. So it has two parameters. And you now convert, let's say, list A into a set because set stores values uniquely. So all members in set A will be identified as unique numbers using the hash set method. Then you now have a new list they are going to create, let's say result, and this is going to store the values for the intersections. Then you loop through B or list B. So each integer item in list B, you look through it, and if you compare it with that of list A and it's the same, then it's been added to the result using the contain method. Then after that, you return this result, and you have the values. So it's been done in a time complexity of O(n) plus m because um, going through the sets with O(n) times on average O of 1, and going through the loop or looping, we also use a time complexity of O(m), and that will give you O(n) plus m. And if I want to test, let's say I have a list of 1, 2, another one is 2, 4, and the intersection will be 2, and that will be returned as my list. If I have another one, 1, 2, another one is 5, 6, then the result will be an empty set because there's no linkage. If I have another one which is 1, 2, 3 for list A, and I have 1, 2 for list B, then I'm going to have 1, 2 as my result, and that is for that. And now let's move on to union. So the union to is also going to return a list as its data type and accept two parameters, list A, list B. I'm going to set another list which is going to be called result 2, and I'm going to hash this one to a set to store the values uniquely. So I'll use hash set again, and I'm going to look through all the two lists, so list A and list B, and append or add them to the result 2, and it's going to be done uniquely. And later I'm going to return it. But since it's in a set, I can just use to do list and to return that in the form of a list for me. And if I want to test, I can have, let's say, set A which is 1, 2, set B which is 3, 4, and it should return a value of 1, 2, 3, 4. I have another one which is 1, 2, and set B2 is also 1, 2. It will return a union of 1, 2. I have another one which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set B is an empty set. It's going to return 1, 2, 3, 4, and the time complexity for each of the loop is O(n), and then together I can say they have O(n) plus m. Thank you.